When you're a baby, the first thing you hear is the hum of your mother from inside. When you hum, you recreate that experience. So take a pause, close your eyes, and hum. And while you hum, imagine a small treasure chest. Now open your eyes. Imagine your hum as a light seed that connects you back to your source. By planting it with purpose, you can connect with your personal, collective, and planetary goals. As the Caribbean transitions to a new energy era, we also must shift our mindset and awareness, strengthening the power of climate resilience in our mind by tapping into the spark that ignites passion, creativity, and innovation, by tapping in to nature's hum.